Hey guys, come check out this great exterior renovation project we just wrapped up. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we have this really cool 50s bungalow that already had great bones, as they'd say. Had already kind of a nice look to it, but the siding had reached the end of its useful lifespan, so it was time for an upgrade. And the client wanted a look that really complemented the renovation that was done inside, which was mid-century modern, but they wanted something a bit more bold from the exterior. So we've done kind of a hybrid here of a mid-century modern with a bit more of a modern twist, especially with what you see behind me here with that Hardie panel broken up in the grid. Really gives a nice focal point, but also complements the overall look outside here. So we have here on this one section of the house, we have Lux panel. This is a steel siding product, looks like wood grain. It's a fantastic product. It's made locally here. I really like it. Gives a nice richness to the look of the project. We have the Hardie panel with the easy trim grid behind me. Again, more of a modern feel. We added this little build out here as an architectural detail, just to really kind of break up the design a little bit, but to ground the Lux panel from the one side and tied into the other side of the entryway, and it gives a nice little detail within the overall design. And then on the far side here, we have the Hardie board and batten. So overall, we have 3 different siding products. They really work and blend well together. It gives a really interesting look, really increases the curb appeal of this home. We've also replaced the front door with a door from Lux, also Lux, but Lux windows and glass, and it's a fantastic door, fully adjustable hinges, seals super well. This has the multi-lock feature as well, so very secure. So overall, a nice transformation here. The home already had the wood grain soffits and beams, so we went through and refinished those for them, replaced all the fascia gutter throughout the home as well, changed the color to black to tie it in with the overall design, as well as we had some of these windows were originally installed and they were brown. We've painted them to black to match the new decor. So nice transformation overall, really gives a nice impact from the front. Cost-wise, to help reduce cost on the sides and rear of the home, we have vinyl siding that complements the color of the siding package, but that classic kind of put the money where it counts up front, and then you can save a bit of cost on the sides and back of the home. We did do a Lux feature around the back door just to tie it into the overall design, but that's a good way to balance your budget a bit better when selecting your products and designing your exterior. We also built a garage on this project, and I'll show that to you in a separate video. If you have any questions about this project or want to talk about one you have in mind, please do reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Have a great one.